Pop music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is a get ready with me vlog, Boujee style. So today I'm gonna be showing you the products I wear and how I do my face. So you already know, you wash your face first. Done that clearly. Now we're gonna go in and do like kind of like other stuff. I usually use for my night routine. I use the coffee oil. If you have not seen that video, please go ahead and check that out right now. I'll link that in the description box below. But I also like use like a lot, not a real lot, but just enough for my face because I use certain things, ingredients in my anyways. So I usually do wash my face, moisturize it, give like kind of like a light mist, do a face mask, which I'll show you guys a face mask later on next video, where I do like a whole face mask routine, whole skin routine, because I've been trying to get back because my face is starting to heal up from all that burnt. I know I burned myself with toothpaste, yes, because my skin is very sensitive, as you can see, because I have like little dark spots where my pimples were, and then where the toothpaste was at and burned it. If you have sensitive skin, don't do that constantly. Just do it one time and that's all. Don't do that constantly. I'll do that. Okay. But since I already did my face and stuff, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this elf. And oh no, you spray this mist on your face throughout the day if you need to, if your face is like very soft and needs to be hydrated and stuff. So I'll spray my face with this, or I use my lotion. Like I use like the facial lotion that very softens and helps my skin. So basically I go in and go with this mist spray. So I'm gonna spray my face real quick. So I already washed my face earlier, so. Basically this spray works very well for my skin, because I just started like using this, but as soon as you use it, my face like soak up all that good moisture, because it's basically made out of citrus oil, which that's gonna be a new video soon. I'm gonna make citrus oil spray, because I'm more of like a spray girl than like a dropper girl. I'm more like a spray, so I like spray it on my face like that. You know that? You know what I'm talking about. But I usually use that on my face. Then I use lotion. Turns out, I'm going to be real, guys. This is supposed to soothe your skin. I put this on my face, but hey, it helped for a while for my nose, because if you guys know, my T-zone usually be dry, it be brittle, my skin start peeling, especially when it comes to like winter and sometimes summer. But when it hits fall and winter, it's like it goes crazy. So yeah, that's why I usually use like a bunch of moisture more at that time, because my face usually like not breaking out, but it do break out on certain stuff, like if I don't gently rub my face, or if I don't put like certain like type of oils on it, because my face will break out and start giving me hives, start making like little big old black, not craters, but break up circles, like I've been like rubbing too hard on my face. Like it's not here no more, but it used to be a big old one right there. So I usually use that. I either use this rose water or the one I made at home, which I will show you guys in another video. So we're gonna have videos coming out. See you soon for that. But I use that. I use the citrus oil. Then I put a mask on. But today is not a mask day. It's more of a spritz and repeat day. So yeah. So back to you. So that's like kind of what I do. I already did my face. I did it. Sprayed it. I'm gonna hand you over to you later, KP. Bye. Today we're gonna do a get ready with me. So first up, we're gonna have to figure out our outfit. Then we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do for our makeup. I might do a little makeup, not too much. Or maybe not, because I really like wearing makeup like that much. But we're gonna figure out outfits. So first thing I do is I go on Pinterest and look up what outfits I want to create. Like I look and scroll. But I'm in kind of like a little rush so to find out my outfit. So yeah. But before we get to this video real quick, let's take a chance to admire how beautiful this hair is. Like, girl. Yep, I got purple instead. Last time you see me with red hair, the next day was like lilac purple. Now you see me with dark purple. Purple. But yeah, it's so cute. I really like my hair because it's kind of like a little wavy at the bottom and it's braid at the top. That's kind of my favorites. But yeah, let's get started. That's what I basically do. I scroll till I find like, oh, I like this outfit, but I'm not really sure about that one. I like that one. Oh, I like this one. So I just scroll here. If I like something in one piece of the outfit, I take it and transfer it to a different part of the outfit and just combine my outfits from there. So right now I'm feeling kind of a bit in the 70s, but like still rocker. So I might find something with those too. So I might probably do something like this. Oh, might do like this. What, different pants though? So that's basically what I do. Like I scroll until I find something. I'll meet you guys back when I found something that I like. Okay, cuties, I am back and I'm torn between this outfit that I chose. So I got my t-shirt, my fedora hat, because I've been feeling like I want to wear my fedora, but I haven't been wearing it. And plus, I didn't want to mess with my hairstyles that I was wearing, because it was kind of like a little bit of that. But since my hair is laid down, now I can wear my fedora. So I'm torn between wearing these orangey red jeans, ripped denim jeans, same with this black ripped denim jeans, and I don't, because they're both similar but the colors, and they go with these kind of cute my Puma shoes. If you have not watched that video, I'll link down in the description box below. But I'm torn because I don't know, should I go with the black ones or orange red ones? Black ones or orange red ones? Comment down below which color like. You got 5 seconds. Choose which pants, number 1 or number 2. Give me a number 1s if you want black, number 2s if you want orange. So you got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Oop, that's not 3. That's 2. 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, took too long. I'm deciding to go with a black outfit, just because I want something simple and not too late. And it's kind of really hot outside, so I can't be wearing jackets and stuff. So I'm gonna go with a black outfit. I'll show you guys what my accessories I'm gonna also wear with this. But for right now, that's my outfit. And be right back when I got my full outfit on.